Welcome to Volume 2. The foundation is built. Now, the fire is lit. For the first 13 weeks, we laid down the groundwork of virtue and iron. We observed our thoughts, we planned our days, and we fortified our minds against the chaos of the outside world. But philosophy without action is just empty words on a page. We are now entering the realm of duty and fire. It is time to step out of the shadows and into the arena. We begin week 14 with the ultimate call to action. Marcus Aurelius, the Emperor of Rome, had the world at his fingertips. He could have slept in every single day, yet he wrote this to himself. At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I have to go to work as a human being. What do I have to complain of if I'm going to do what I was born for? It is the daily battle we all face, the pull of comfort versus the demand of our duty. How often do we hit the snooze button on our own lives? We lie under the warm covers of procrastination, convincing ourselves that tomorrow is a better day to start. We wait for motivation to strike. We wait for the perfect conditions. But the world doesn't wait for you to feel ready. The longer you linger in the comfort zone, the weaker the mind becomes. The resistance you feel in the morning, that heavy, dragging weight, is the very first enemy you must conquer each day. This week is defined by a single principle, Acta Non Verba, deeds, not words. You can journal your intentions until the ink runs dry. You can strategize and plan for months on end, but until you actually strike the anvil, nothing changes. The Stoic does not simply talk about being a good person. They are one. They do not talk about hard work. They put their head down and execute. The time for preparation has passed. The time for execution is here. Your practice this week is brutal in its simplicity. Identify the one task you have been actively avoiding, the one that causes the most friction in your mind. Do not overthink it. Do not rationalize your delay. And above all, do not complain about it. Just execute. Rise with the dawn, step into the arena, and do the work you are meant to do. The time for passive consumption is over. If you are ready to stop watching and start doing, pick up the Stoic Ledger today. Volume 1, Virtue and Iron will forge your foundation, and our newly released Volume 2, Duty and Fire will push you into the arena. Both are available right now on Amazon. Hit the links in the description below, secure your copies, and start building the Citadel.